Number 6, we want to write as a single log. So we've got ln x to the 6th minus 3 ln, and then we have the cube root of x squared. Alright, so properties of exponents: anytime you have a root, you can write it as an exponent is dividing by 3. So we're going to convert all of this first. So ln x to the 6 is going to stay for now, and this is a minus. I'm going to first convert the root. This is 3 ln, and this will be x to the 2nd power divided by 3. That's how we evaluate that. And then we're going to bring this 3 up. ln, this will be x to the 2/3 times 3. And so this 3 is going to divide out the 3 on the bottom that's being divided. So when we condense these, now we'll have 1 log ln, and then we'll have x to the 6 divided by x to the 2nd, because those 3 is going to divide each other out. And then we can do properties of exponents, and that will give us ln of x to the 4th as a final answer. ln x to the 4th. Okay, so over halfway through, I do want to point out some common mistakes that you can find in the text. When you multiply 2 logs, it's not equal to the same as log of m times n. That's the addition property. Also, if you have a single log and you're adding 2 things in parentheses, that's not the same thing as writing them as separate addition of logs. Log of division of the 2 does not distribute to log 2 separate logs with division. And log with a power on the outside, so the whole thing is in parentheses raised to a power. It's not the same as the power property that we've been using. Actually, let me get its common exact name. Just the power rule is what it's called. So it's not the same as the power rule that we've been using for the problems that we've been working so far. So you can find these common errors on page 351 that show you some common mistakes to be careful of. Alright, so number 7, we're going to express as a single log and simplify if possible. So here's what we were just looking at, the common mistakes. We have all of this in the log being added. There's no property that gives us something to do with this, but since we do have these being the same log, we can do the log of this minus this. So we'll put these on top, and we'll see what we get from there. So we can write log of all of this, x squared plus 10x plus 21, all divided by x squared minus 49. Alright, so we can do that at least. We can use that subtraction property and do division. Now we can try to see if these will factor, and they will, because 7 times 3 is 21 and 7 plus 3 is 10. So we will factor these two guys and see if we can reduce something out. So the top will factor to be x plus 3 and x plus 7, and on the bottom, difference of squares, we get x plus 7 and x minus 7. Alright, so the x plus 7 on top and bottom will divide out, and so we're left with a final answer, log of x plus 3 on the top and x minus 7 on the bottom. No, it keeps doing that. Log of, say, x. No. How do I get this? I need all of it on the top. Let's just do this. X plus 3, and then x minus 7. Some technical difficulty with the typing in of the answer.